there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up a blank slide and we're gonna go to Insert tab and then we're gonna insert around a corner rectangle. Change its height and width to same of 20 centimeter. And we're gonna rotate it like this. And let's put it right here downwards. Now duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D, decrease its size. And we're gonna put it right here like this again. Duplicate it as well. We're gonna put them in a specific pattern in a shape like this. Select all of them and increase their sizes because I want them to cover more area and I don't want to leave any spacing between them. So let's move this rectangle upwards a bit. Here you go. Select all of them, go to merge options and click on union. Go to format shape and click on shadow and give them this inner shadow of outline. Next, we're gonna go to format shape again, go to full option, picture texture fill, and then insert a suitable image that you want to use in this template. I'll use this image of San Francisco Bridge. Be sure to uncheck this box right here, which says tilt with the shape to make your image straighter. Next, we're gonna go to crop option and then crop our picture accordingly. Go to format background and you're gonna change the background color. So as you can see, there are plenty of colors. Let me just use eyedropper as well. But as you can see, the eyedropper color mixed too much with the image color. So the background is not really visible. So this is why I'll just use a dark color and note a color using eyedropper. Next, insert your content text and your title. So I'll use, let me just insert my content text as well. Let's decrease its size. We're gonna give it line spacing and let's change the font as well. Here you go. Next, we're gonna insert a small circle right below into the bottom left corner and duplicate about 3 times and we're gonna remove the outline and then give them the same fill color of using eyedropper. Next, we're gonna insert a round corner rectangle just below the content text, in which we're gonna write our like the button. This is gonna act as our button, so I'll just write some subtitle in it. Go to insert tab, and we're gonna go to icons, and from here we're gonna insert 3 of the icons that best suit this template. So now let's decrease the sizes, and now let's change the color as well. Move each one of them individually in each of these separate circles. Here you go. Next, insert a rectangle that covers the outer part that is unwanted of this shape. We're going to select the shape and then the rectangle and then subtract it from the merge options. And similarly, we're going to go to picture format and from here we're going to crop the image because it gets changed after we like subtract the unwanted part. Continue the same process. Next, we're gonna insert a rectangle right here as well and crop this outside shape as well. So now let's adjust our image using crop option. Select all of these shapes along with the text. We're gonna go to animation tab and give them fly in animation. And from the left direction. Now select each one of them and give them a delay. A specific delay that one comes first and the next comes a bit of later that one. So I'll just give a delay of 25 seconds. So this is the final result and if you like this video be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. By the way, you can download this template for free.